Hello, my lovely viewers. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing well, you are enjoying. I'm here again with another grammar lesson, and the topic for today is present simple tense. Present simple tense. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to teach you the different usages of present simple tense, like when do we use this tense. I will also be talking about the formulations, like how will you make the sentences, how the sentences are formulated, and I will also give you lots of examples. Okay, so I suggest you be here until the video is finished. Get a piece of paper and a pen so that you can make the necessary notes when it is required. And guys, if this is the first time you're watching me on YouTube and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like the video, share it with your friends or somebody who wants to learn English grammar. Okay, it is going to help them. So thank you so much for being here. Let's get started. So guys, the first usage of present simple tense, we use this tense to talk about our habitual actions, right? To talk about habits. Okay, so if you have got any habits or if you have got different habits, and whenever you want to talk about these habits, what do? You use present simple tense. You use present simple tense. So all the habitual actions are said in present simple tense. For example, she drinks tea every morning. She drinks tea. It is her habit that whenever she gets up in the morning, what she does, she drinks tea. Okay, or she exercises every day before going to work. She exercises every day before going to work. Or I call my parents on weekends to catch up. This was the first usage of present simple tense. Now here's the second one. We use this tense, we use the present simple tense to talk about the repeated actions. So anything that you repeat, okay, anything which is repeated. Whenever you want to talk about those actions, what do? You use the present simple tense. For example, we celebrate Diwali every year. It's a repeated action, right? Or we submit our performance reports at the end of every month. Okay? Now here's the third usage of present simple tense. We use the present simple tense to talk about different facts or statements that are always true and universally accepted regardless of time or place. Okay, so anything which is accepted worldwide, anything which is accepted everywhere, right? Okay, anything which is true everywhere. Whenever we want to talk about these, we use the present simple tense. For example, the sun rises in the east, or the earth goes around the sun, or 2 plus 2 makes 4. So these are the universal truth. These are the these are something which are accepted universally. Okay, now let's talk about the next usage of present simple tense. We use the present simple tense to express the future events that are part of a fixed timetable or fixed program. Okay, so all the events which are part of a fixed timetable, okay, whenever we want to talk about that, we can use present simple tense. For example, the match starts at 11 a.m. The match starts at 11 a.m. or the train leaves at 5:20 p.m. Okay. Now guys, I'm going to discuss the formulations. I'll tell you how the sentences are formulated. So for affirmative, we start the sentence with subject, then we use the first form of the verb, base verb, right? First form of the verb, and then we add s or es with the verb. So play becomes plays, write becomes write, go becomes goes, sing becomes sings, right? Drive becomes drives. So subject, then the first form of the verb, then we add s or es, then object and complements. For example, he eats healthy food every day. Now, when do you use this formulation? You use this formulation when the subject of your sentence is he, she, it, or any name. He, she, it, or any name. Or maybe when you are talking about one person, maybe my father, your brother, his sister, my friend. Okay. So as I said, he eats healthy food every day. Guys, you might have heard sometimes people say that he eat healthy food every day, or he go to his school at 8 a.m. in the morning. These are wrong sentences, guys. You cannot say he go to his school at 8 a.m. You should say he goes to his school, right? Don't say that she eats sorry, don't say that she eats healthy food, say she eats healthy food. Or next example for you, Neha takes medicine for his sickness. Now there's another rule for affirmative sentences: subject, base verb, object, and the complements. Now we use this rule when the subject of your sentence is I, we, you, they, or maybe plural. For example, I teach English language in English Arena. With I, we, you, they, you don't add s or es. Okay, you only add s or es with he, she, it, or any name. So as I said, I teach English language in English Arena. Or women take care of their family. So the word women, women, it's a plural. It's a plural, and this word is pronounced as women. Women. And when it is woman, so it's pronounced as woman, and it's singular. So when it is man, singular. When it is men, plural. So women take care of their family. Let's talk about the negative sentences. To formulate a negative sentence, we use do or does. Do or does. So we use do with I, we, you, they, or with third person plural. I, we, you, they, or with third person plural, like children, people, doctors, players. And we use does with he, she, it, or someone's name, or with third person singular, like my father, your brother. Okay. So how do we make the sentences? We start with subject, then do or does, then we use not. Okay, not, and then the first form of the verb, object, and the other words. Guys, in negative sentence, we do not add s or es in the present simple tense, right? So, for example, he doesn't eat healthy food. He does not eat healthy food. Now, as I said, with he, we use does. Okay, with he, she, it, or any name, we use does. With I, we, you, they, we use do. So he does not, she does not, it does not, Rahul does not, my father does not, your sister does not, I do not, you do not, they do not, we do not, people do not. People is plural, right? Women do not, children do not. Okay, so subject, do or does, not, first form the verb, object, and the other words. For example, you do not play well these days. This was our negative. Now let's go for questions. To formulate the questions, we start the sentence with do or does. Now you know when do we use do and when do we use does. So we start the sentence with do or does, then subject, then the first form of the verb, object, and the other words. And for open-ended questions, right, the question which have question words, first we use the question word, then do or does, then subject, and then first form of the verb, object, and the other words. For example, does he call you nowadays? Does he call you nowadays? Or do you report to Mr. Smith? Okay, or why does he work so late every day? So in this sentence, first what I have done, I have used the question word why, then does he. Why does? Because the subject is he. Okay, so why does he work so late every day? Or what do they do in the free time? What do they do in the free time? Okay, now for questions and negative, when you have question and negative both, what do? We start with do or does, then we use subject, not, the first form of the verb, object, and the other words. And for open-ended questions, first the question word, then do or does, then subject, not, first form of the verb, object, and complements. For example, do you not take this medicine in the evening? Do you not take this medicine in the evening? Now, if the subject is he, then you would say, does he not take this medicine in the evening? If the subject is someone's name, does Rahul not take this medicine in the evening? Okay, next, does John not go to his office every day? Does John not go to his office every day? Or why does he not complete the classwork in this school? Why does he not first the question word, why does he not complete the classwork in this school? When do children not play these days? Okay, so this was the questions and negative. Now let's go for some examples from Hindi to English. So guys, वो जो आता है, जाता है, खाता है, पीता है, सोता है, जागता है, वो जो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, जब भी कभी हम उन सेंटेंसेस की बात करते हैं, वहां पर हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस यूज करते हैं। जैसे आपने कहा कि वो मुझे रोज कॉल करता है, ही कॉल्स मी एवरी डे। ही कॉल्स मी क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि विद ही, शी, इट और एनी नेम हम एस ऐड करते हैं। जैसे आपने कहा तुम इंग्लिश पढ़ाते हो, यू टीच इंग्लिश, यू टीच इंग्लिश। यहां पे टीचर्स क्यों नहीं हो? क्योंकि आई वी यू दे के साथ एस ऐड नहीं होता है। सो लेट्स गो फॉर सम हिंदी टू इंग्लिश एग्जांपल्स। पहला एग्जांपल आपके लिए है, उसका भाई किसी बड़ी कंपनी में काम करता है। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन पर्सन, उसका भाई, एक इंसान की बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम कहेंगे हिज ब्रदर वर्क्स। जब भी कभी एक इंसान की बात होती है, क्या करते हैं हम? वर्ब में एस एस ऐड कर देते हैं। सो हिज ब्रदर वर्क्स फॉर सम बिग कंपनी। और मेरे पापा कभी भी ऐसी बातें नहीं करते हैं। यहां पे मेरे पापा एक इंसान की बात हो रही, माई फादर नेवर टॉक्स लाइक दिस। और तुम आजकल लेट क्यों आते हो? ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डू यू कम लेट दीज डेज? व्हाई डू यू कम लेट दीज डेज? हम लोग एक साथ डिनर करते हैं, वी टेक डिनर टुगेदर, वी टेक डिनर टुगेदर। हम सभी 10 बजे सो जाते हैं, वी स्लीप एट 10 PM. I'm sorry, it should be yes, 10 PM. Yeah. उसके घर कोई ना कोई आता रहता है, someone or another, कोई ना कोई, someone or another always comes to his home. So guys, this was present simple tense. I hope that you have understood it and you will be able to use it correctly in your day-to-day conversation. And guys, learning grammar is very, very easy. It is very easy, but till the time you won't practice it, you need to practice. You need to practice. Please take some time and practice every single day. Now, when people use present simple tense, they make mistakes. बहुत सारी गलतियां करते हैं. For example, आपने सुना लोग कहते हैं he go to school, he goes to school, he don't know you. नहीं भाई, he doesn't know you, right? Don't say he go to school. गलत है. He goes to school. Don't say he don't know you. Say he doesn't know you. कैसे practice करोगे guys? Take one sentence. So he goes to school, he doesn't go to school, does he go to school, does he not go to school, why does he go to school, why does he not go to school? I teach English, I do not teach English, do I teach English, do I not teach English, how do I teach English, how do I not teach English, right? She cooks food, she doesn't cook food, does she cook food, does she not cook food, when does she cook food, when does she not cook food? Okay, you speak English, you do not speak English, do you speak English, do you not speak English, why do you speak English, why do you not speak English? एक सेंटेंस लो और उसके हेल्प से 6 सेंटेंस बनाओ और उसको जोर जोर बोल के प्रैक्टिस करो। इससे आपको आदत पड़ जाएगी कहां पे एस लगाना है, कहां पे एस नहीं लगाना है, कहां पे डू लगाना है और कहां पे डज लगाना है। आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। सब्सक्राइब करो और वो लाइक वाला जो बटन है ना, जो लाइक वाला बटन भाई, उसको हिट करो। और इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ या अपनी फैमिली में जो भी इंग्लिश ग्रामर सीखना चाहता है, शेयर दिस वीडियो विद दोस पीपल सो दैट वो भी सीख सकें, राइट? इस चैनल पे मैं आई ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट टू अपलोड लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस सो दैट you can learn the language. और guys, thank you so much. आज के लिए इतना ही। अगली वीडियो में हम फिर मिलेंगे with a new topic. Bye bye.